Corningware baking dishes and glass lids can be used in a preheated oven, a preheated standard convection oven, or a microwave. They're oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not heat the dish on a stovetop with a broiler, a barbecue grill, a microwave browning element, or stovetop pressure cooker. Don't transfer a cold dish from the freezer into a hot oven. After cooking food, place the hot dish and lid on a dry pot holder, a dry cloth, or a cooling rack. Only handle a hot dish or glass lid with a dry pot holder or dry cloth. Don't place a hot dish or lid into a sink or place it onto a wet or cold surface, a metal stovetop cooking grate, or a glass cooktop. Don't add liquid to a hot dish. If it's heated or cooled too quickly, it can break. After allowing baking dishes and glass lids to cool, they can be cleaned in a dishwasher. If you're hand washing, only use plastic or nylon cleaning pads with a non-abrasive cleaner. Don't allow stoneware to soak in water for extended periods of time.